Can you answer this type of limit? If you know the answer, pause the video and comment the answer. So let's try to answer this one.
We plug in the value of x, it will give us indeterminate form of x 0 over 0. But as you can see, we have a square or sum and difference of a square of a binomial. So we can try that one out by applying this rule. A squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So the problem will now be equal to limit of x approaches to 2, x minus 2 square root of x minus 2 times x plus 2. And from the rule of radicals in algebra of a square root of a product, it will give us square root of a times square root of b, right? So we can apply this formula here. It will give us limit of x minus 2 square root of x minus 2 radical times square root of x plus 2. As you can see, we can cancel out the numerator and denominator. It will give us a limit of 1 over x plus 2 radical as x approaches to 2 from the right. And now we can try to plug in the x value, and it will give us 1 over 2 plus 2 square root and equal to 1 over square root of 4. And square root of 4 is equal to 2. So our final answer will be 1/2. That's the answer.